Hello guys, I'm in like loaded place right now and I feel so peaceful here because of the snow. It feels very nice and just sunny as well. So I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. I think it will help you. So check the video, and if it helps you, just subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye. Thank you guys for watching the video. If it was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would appreciate your support very much. See you later. Bye.